Hello and welcome back to channel, guys. Today I have a great charger hub for the Mini 3 or DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro. This is a very unique and very good Chinese made and a very good class of the charger hub, which is called charger for Mini 3 Pro, as you can see, and it has all the instructions here, everything, and here is the output port for it, where you can use all the 4 batteries one by one, and you can use as a power bank. It will produce up to 2 amps to the charger. You can charge your mobile phone or other devices from here, and also it has got the color screen display for 4 batteries. Meanwhile, I'm showing you the other systems of it. This is the power button if you want to use as a power, charger, power as a power bank. And also this is the input. This is for the charging of all the 4 batteries if you wish to. This one has got very unique functions. Actually, what is basically, you can use as a 1 amp 2 amps charger, charger can connect the charger with this to charge these batteries for the DJI Mini, but it depends. For example, let me show you. If I connect the batteries here, it will show the channel 1 USB out, and it shows also very unique functions. I mean, in the screen you can see that it's showing the current voltage of the battery, and also it is showing the 0.0 amp, which is not consuming or not charging or not discharging. Also, the very unique function is it's showing the charge cycles, like cycle charge of the battery, which is 35 on this one. The other batteries, they are not showing here because they are not connected yet. So I am showing here, I'm connecting the second battery, which is also showing the same kind of information, which is showing at least cycles of the charge on this second battery, which is 11, and also it has got the 58% charge, and the first battery is charged like 99%. And if we remove these 2 batteries and use the other 2, which are these, and here you can see the number 1 is showing 7 volts and 0.0 amp, which is not consuming at the moment. Cycles are 10, and also this is a 10%, sorry, 6%, and that's why it is showing red on the screen, because this is under 10%. Soon as under 10%, it goes red, and if you're charging, then it goes probably orange, and when it is fully charged, then it goes to green, and also it says fully charged. Second battery is showing 11% and cycles 7. So you don't need to connect the battery into the drone to see or to know how many cycles they are, and this is showing exactly not the these kind of LEDs. So here you can see exactly the percentage of the battery. This is not the gas, this is exact percentage of the battery. And secondly, the big benefit of this charger, basically, if you connect the charger, it depends, because it is accepting several protocols, as you can see here. The input is 5 volt to 15 volt with the 3 amp, and 20 volt with the 3 amp or 3.2 amp, and basically it can be charged. This device can charge up to 4 batteries in one go. That is a superb thing, which is a very unique function on this charger. You can charge 4 batteries, but it depends, because it also says here on the back and in the description that you have to connect a powerful charger here. So basically, this charger or this charger hub, it is accepting all the protocols for the power delivery, which is PD. And what is that does basically, if you connect the slow charger, then it will go for let me show you the examples. If we connect here a normal charger, which will show here on the screen that it will charge one by one battery at a time, and as you can see, the second battery is charging at the moment, which is 1.6 with the 1.6 amp, and also it says here on the top slow. So basically slow, and the second battery is still in there, and also it is showing waiting. So basically it will wait for this battery to be charged first, and this one will be next one, because this is 12% and this is 6%. That's why it is taking more charged already, which is better charged than the 6%. This is 12%. That's why it's picking up automatically 12% battery to charge first. And also it says 1.5 amp, as you might be able to see. Now what I'm showing you at the moment, if we connect the other charger, which is because I connected before 22 watts, now I'm connecting the 30 watts, which is the difference you will see. There you go, this is connected, and as you can see on the both screens, this is a meter type type C to type C, and here we can see how many watts and how many volts they are going into this battery charger. So basically it is supporting 12.25 volt and with 2.372 amperes, and it's transferring the volt or power into the battery hub, and it's also picking automatically 13%, 13% battery, which is now 14%. And the big thing is this, it is showing fast charge, and this is also showing the fast and the waiting. So it means it's understanding this power bank hub, which is understanding that this is a heavy charger connected with this device. That's why it is taking more, but it is charging fast in one battery each. So it will go for 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever we connect, and it goes it will charge one by one battery, but fast charge with the 30, as you might be able to see, that 30 watts. And also it can you can see 3.5 amp. Now let me show you the other thing, which is same charger we can connect with 65 watt. Here you can see, and this is connected, and now you can see the watts and voltage. It is, the previous was 20, we connected before with the 30 watts, and it was going up to 30 watts here on the screen with the 12 volts. But now this is a 65 watt, and now the module actually it is producing a too high power, double power. You can see it's 62 watts, and which is power delivery PD, and also it is showing here 20.25 volt, and with the almost 3 amp, and 60 watts here as well, you can see on the meter. And surprisingly, you can see here on the screen of the charger, which is it says fast charge, both of them, and it says charging, and the two channel, basically they are charging together. You might be able to see that these both batteries, they are charging together. So basically the adapter is required. It's adjusting automatically all the power for one battery or two batteries or four batteries together. For the charge to 4 batteries together, basically what you need to do, we need to connect actually 100 watt or 120 watts module, which unfortunately I don't have at the moment. So in the next video I will show, because I don't have the 100 watt charger at the moment with me. I have 65 watt and 30 watt with or 22 watts. So the thing is this, let me repeat it again. The 60, if you connect the 65 watt, then you can charge 2 batteries at each time. If we connect even 4 batteries, it will still charge 2 batteries on a one go, because the 65 watt can only can be only used for 2 batteries at the moment. Currently you can see yeah, here. So now it is picking up the last 2 batteries because they are more charged, so that's why it is picking up these two, but it's charging up to 2 batteries only because of the 65 watt, and also because one battery is, as you might be able to see, that is 99% charged, and the second one is 59% and 3.4 amp, and this is only taking 0.4 amp. So that's why this is a full already. If we remove that, so it is charging only first, which will be charged with the full power of the 60 plus watts. There you go, 61. Okay, if you connect this up to 65 watt, then it will be charged like 2 batteries on each time. If you connect 30 watts, then it will charge fast charge, but it will be limited to the 1 battery at each time. And if you connect a 22 watt charger here, or any charger, normal charger, then it will show here a slow charger, not the fast, and it will take double time or something. With the 65 watt you can charge, then you can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and it will take like 35 to 40 minutes to charge 2 batteries. So it means 30, if you for example charge 4 batteries, 2 at the same time, and 2 on the after them, so roughly averagely you can say about 15 to 20 minutes battery will be fully charged with this 65 watt connected here. And you might be able to see it's charging, and very very fast. You can see that increase to 25%, and this is it was 6%, now it is 15% at the moment, which is in a couple of minutes. And also it is providing 20 volts, which is high, and also with the 60 watts. So this is the review on this model, which is the purchase link in the description of this video. Here is the model number and also all the description, and here is the model number, which is YX-D-Mini3-019. So this is it, and let me show you the difference of the original battery charger, which comes this hub comes with the Mini 3 Pro. And if we connect here charger, so it will take up to 40 watts. I think that is the maximum that goes into there. Okay, this is charging at the moment, and the watts you can see it's increasing: 28, 30, 33, 37. Okay, so it is taking up to 40 watts, which I believe, and see 38 to 36 the voltage and watts are there vary, and also it is taking maximum of 12.2 volts, and it's taking 36 and 38 watts with the 3 amp of the current. This is also fast, but it will charge one by one. This is the original DJI product, which is charger hub, and this is charging one by one. But this one, as I said before, this one is charging actually 2 batteries at the same time, and it goes up to 60 watts. So it means like if you charge on the DJI this power bank hub, then it will be charged, for example, your battery charge, for example, in 40 minutes or 50 minutes. But as compared to this one, this aftermarket product, which is very nice, I'm using it for a long time, and it works very very well. It can charge 2 batteries in around 40 minutes from 0 to 100%, and basically 2 batteries at the same time. So it means if you get the average, it will be like 20 minutes on the each battery charge, fully charged. So that's it for today. Next video will be done soon, which will show some other items and also new experiments as well. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.